So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it, and now this will come up. And now once you run this, under user configuration, you want to expand admin templates. And now you want to expand Windows components. And now you want to click on attachment manager. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. You want to open up inclusion list for low file types. Double click on this. And now once you run this, you want to set this to enabled. And now in this box right here, you want to type in .exe. So again, enabled and then .exe, and then click on OK. And now once that's been done, we're now going to unexpand all of this. For the next step, this time under computer configuration, you want to expand Windows settings. And now you want to expand security settings. And now you want to expand local policies. And now you want to click on security options. We're going to scroll down to the very bottom until we find user account control, only elevate executables. Right here, user account control, only elevate executables that are signed and validated. Double click on this. Make sure that you have this on disabled and then click on OK. Next, just above it, this one right here, user account control, behavior of the elevation prompts for administrators running with enhanced privilege protection. Double click on this one. Make sure that you have prompts for consent on the secure desktop and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to find the installer that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Make sure that you're in the general tab. If it says for you security and then it says unblock, you want to tick this box. Tick unblock and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.